Moody here, once again, and today Miss Mick has another fun experiment to show you using the same materials that you needed when you made a volcano. The experiment is called Fizzy Colors. It's so much fun. Take it away, Miss Mick. Bye.
Hi preschool friends, it's Miss Mick back for some simple science. What I love about this experiment is that it's so similar but different from the ones we've done before. So many of the experiments we've done have had something fizz, that had water in them. We've seen different colors. This one combines them all. So what you'll need for this experiment is baking soda, vinegar, food coloring, a pipette that Miss Retta's going to make sure you all have. I have an ice tray here because I can put the vinegar in each tray with a different color of food coloring. And this will be where I put the baking soda. Okay, this is called Fizzy Colors. I hope you enjoy it. So I'm going to put the baking soda first into the bigger container. Okay, and we're looking for a chemical reaction, something that will fizz. The vinegar will go inside of the ice tray. Have you ever seen an ice tray like this before? When I was little, everybody had ice trays. Now some refrigerators have their own ice makers. But you would put water in these and put them in the freezer to make ice for your drinks. This time we're putting vinegar in the ice tray. And then in each of the portions or parts of this ice tray, I'm going to put a color. A food coloring. So that one was red. I'm gonna put some yellow in here. Yellow sometimes looks orange when you put it in a liquid, but this is yellow. Blue. A few drops of red and another. Now, these are all colors that can stand alone, but there's some colors I can mix. Do you know what they are? I can mix red and blue. Do you know what that makes? I'm not gonna tell you. We'll just see if we can figure it out when we do the fizzy colors in the experiments. I'm gonna put red and blue together over here. And then I'm going to put two other colors, yellow and orange together. You know what? I just gave you a hint. I gave you a hint about what these two colors make. Put yellow and red together. And we'll see if they make a different color when they're combined. Let's count how many different colors we think we have. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm gonna kind of shake this around a little bit and see if it mixes it up. Then I'm gonna use the pipette. The way I use the pipette is to squeeze the top first, put it inside of the liquid, and then let go with my fingers. Do you see how it went up into the pipette? Do you see what color this is? Let's see what it is when I put it inside here. Ready? Wow, look at that. There is a chemical reaction there. Look how it's fizzing. The vinegar and the baking soda made a chemical reaction. You can even see the holes that are left behind where the color was. Let's try another color. Squeeze the pipette. Let go and watch it fill the pipette up. What color do you see? I said it looks kind of orange in here. Let's see what it looks like in the baking soda. Ready for fizzies? Wow. Look at that. How about this one? Squeeze the pipette. Let go. Look how it filled up. Let's see what color this is when I put it inside the baking soda. Wow, look at that. I love the way that looks. What color is that? You're right, it's blue. How about this one? I don't even know what this one is. What do we have left? Wait. Is that a second red? I think it is. Let's see what this one is. Squeeze the pipette. Let go, fill it up. Now this was two colors mixed together. Let's see if it worked. Oh, this is blue and red. Blue and red really doesn't usually make that color. I think I put too much blue in that one. You know what, let's try that one again. Let's try a lot of red and just a teensy bits of blue. Let's see if that changes the color. One more job. You know, one thing with simple science is that it's never quite over. You can keep going and going and going and try new things to see what happens. Let's see what happens this time. See if it's the same color. It's a little different. It's kind of black. Put some red in there. You know what? I'm just experimenting now. The blue and the red should make more of a purple. That doesn't really look purple, but you know what? You can try. Try at home with blue and red to make purple. Let's see what this one. This was red and yellow. See if it's any different. That should be more of an orange color. Let's try that one again. Let's try lots of yellow. Just a bit of red. You know what? Whatever the colors are, they're really interesting. Look at that. Let me try this one. Don't know. I'm trying to make orange. Maybe a little more orange. I'm going to do something really crazy now. Okay, these are Fizzy Colors, but you're not going to believe what I'm going to do now. Because I'm kind of finished with this part of the experiment, so I had an idea. I was thinking, why don't I just dump all of these? I know. It's really unconventional. I'm going to dump all of these in and see what happens. Ready? Oh, whoa! I do see a lot of different colors and new colors in the baking soda. Wow, there's still some white pieces of baking soda though, or parts. I'm going to do something even more crazy. I'm going to add more vinegar, just a little bit though, because the one thing I don't want to happen is to make a huge mess on my table since I'm not outside. Do you remember the experiment we did with the Mentos and the soda? That was definitely an outdoor experiment. This one's not so much if you keep it contained in this container. So I'm just going to add a little more vinegar and see what happens. Ready? I don't know. I think it's going to fizz some more. There were lots of parts to that experiment, and all of them were fun. I hope you enjoy this experiment at home.